Great.
Right, we're gonna start with premium.
With premium chamfer foil. And then we're gonna cover it all up. All right, here for 30 seconds. Here's a look. I know, it's just really nice, cool, this one. I'm gonna do the other ones completely cover the nails. So we can use rose gold. And also I have a Zetto knife here, just in case I need to cut it. I can always cut it, part of it, if I want to. Okay. I am going to using this and lay that right here on the nails. You can do part of it. You don't have to do whole nails if you don't want to.
Yes, so Marisa, it's like how Nancy do. First thing, you want to line it up and
you line it up
press
first
from the middle down. So that, just make sure you run it through and make sure it's straight, no crumple. When you go straight in the middle, you can just spread to the side. That way, it will almost always go straight.
And then you can give it really nice firm press. I have a little oil on my nails, but it's okay. If you miss any part, you can always line it back up. It's only if it doesn't chamfer for me, the case that I didn't apply in that part. Completely the nails. I think this one I tried to chamfer, but I didn't have any gels in there. But the rest of them are chamfered really well. Here you go. And now you can either do this with the rose gold, or maybe would you like to see is rose gold, or do you want to see a yellow gold? Because I just want to show you a different look of it. Maybe is, I think I like the gold, rose gold, because I want to show you the different look of all of them. And we can do rose gold beads. And it's fun about, you can choose any part of this to put it on yours. Like say, I would do some like diagonals, and maybe I like this part right here, you know? And then I also like this part right here. So it's really depend on how you like it. You don't have to get exactly the same every time. And just using X-acto knife, and I cut part of it and just pick it right up using my dual end tweezer. You can go that way, you can go this way. There you go. You can lay right on the top of your foil. You can do a black one too. Black, it looks good as well.
You might need another strip at the bottom.
Yeah, I'm gonna do another strip. Just trim it off with scissors. Ooh, I just poked my finger. So I see this is so sharp, this one. I just poke it right here. Just be careful with this one because it's so sharp. And then I want this one look right there. Sorry, I'm like off the camera. You move that one. And also, if you want to lay it on the top of each other, I think it looks stunning as well. Really cool. You can do crisscross, you can do more. You can do more and thicker if you want to. Then I am going to, what do I have here? Oh, silver. You can do silver as well. Or even I think black looks cool. Black will stand out a lot more. Can I get my hollow butterflies right there? I'm gonna do some hollow butterflies here. Another one? I have 3 of them, did I? I have some of them right here ready. Oh, right there. Plan change because I reversed the color, so I'm gonna using a different one. I'm gonna using, which one you want to see? This one, this pink and purple will look stand out really cool as well. Let's see this one. Oh, this one is pretty. Can you see? Hold on, sorry. Just make everybody confused at what I'm using right here. She's super cute right here. We'll see how it's turned out if we're using her. Like place her in here. So it's kind of cool benefits of using that weaver strips is like, you know, if you don't want to mess with the weaver gel, which is fun to do that with, but if you want to get really good consistency strips, the line like this, I think this would be a good alternative for that. Just my opinions, my personal opinions, but then also you can do however you would like. I'm gonna pick her and see how she is turning out for us right here. You can random, oops, sorry, Facebook, and then Saturday I cut half of my butterflies. Somewhere. I might meet her somewhere. But it's okay. This is one of my favorites as well. She's might be somewhere, but don't worry. I'm gonna get a smaller one. I'll get a smaller one. Let's see, maybe I'll pick her. We have half right here, but I'm gonna do blue one. Do a smaller one. Right there. Hold on. Try to get her. She's just fit right in there. So stunning. I can't wait to get to do my nails for next time with this butterfly. So it looks good. I didn't want to cover the weaver strips, so I am going to using is rose gold to match with my weaver strips, and then do some kind of like a neons crystals here. I'm using a smaller neon crystal. Oh, I just spilled stuff in here. And then now when it stays nice and flat, I'm using the other end. Make sure don't do this rubber tip covers away, because you want to protect yourself as well, and then protect the tips of your tweezer to stay nice and sharp. So every time you pick up your butterflies, it's easier for you, and also it's not going to rip your really flexible butterflies off. So I'm going to using condensed glue gels, and no wet top coat on the top. Get my twin tip brush. It's really thick density, really thick density. That's when you apply crystals, flat back 3Ds, or charms, chains, and any is metallics art. It's gonna stay. So I'm doing it, it's a kind of actually 2-in-1s now. So I'm not only encapsulating all my weaver strips, my holo butterflies, so then it stay nice and secure in there. Also, I am going to step is no white top coat to adhere the crystals.
Yes. So everyone, for the tweezer is this
No white top
dual twin tweezer, I believe.
Is a dual tweezer.
With rubber tip.
Thank you, Maya. Thank you, Live Raz.
Yes, so
Thank
if you guys
Evan.
just go to the 2 section, it should be right on top.
I am just finished the no wipe top coat and folding on the top of Unclear condensed glue gels. And now I am going to using my crystal pickers, hold this one away, and place some of our kind of funds. Just like neons crystal. I had them all like fun and mix it in. You can do any colors, okay? It doesn't have to be necessarily this colors. Absolutely any other colors will really. I just want to make a theme of these 2 colors together. Just that. And you can do different colors on it. It's gonna make this cute and fun. Let's see, done with this. And I'm gonna placing all that metal beads. So I'm using a rose gold, so then that way it looks really compatible with the look and the theme.
Yeah, so we got pumpkin patch and we got Hawaiian.
Oh, is that everybody name it already?
Well, that's the vibe they got.
Oh, awesome. Live Raz.
So
Great.
pumpkin patch and what's that, Hawaiian?
Hope you like this design. It's really cool. This like when I'm thinking of different content, I'm thinking of all of you, and I don't think it's never gonna be enough to really like doing a lot of fun designs. And I learned so much from you ladies, from all of you, and the love and support that will make motivate me so much.
Yeah, it's not Live Raz. It was Super Bling Nails.
Oh, Super Bling Nails. Thank you so much.
For
all
the
right.
pumpkin patch.
All right, so if you want this, and then if you want different colors, absolutely great. I just have these 2 together, and I said, okay, with these 2 together,